Hi, I'm Kevin Leachman. I'm an engineer at the Air Force Civil Engineer Center. At the center, I serve as the Air Force Water Quality Subject Matter Expert. In this role, I support the warfighter by ensuring that the Air Force provides safe drinking water, as well as compliant, safe, and sustainable water resources. In this video, we're going to cover your role as a Unit Environmental Coordinator in the Air Force Water Quality Program. As a Unit Environmental Coordinator, you play an important role in helping ensure that the Air Force provides compliant water for the Air Force mission. The Water Quality Program provides engineers and environmental professionals with the tools needed to comply with the Safe Drinking Water Act and the Clean Water Act. These two pieces of legislation govern the compliance requirements for Air Force water systems, both drinking water and wastewater and stormwater. So it's important to understand the requirements of these two acts. The Air Force Water Quality Program includes water distribution, production, storage, and quality. So it's important to understand the role all of these play in the Air Force system. In addition, wastewater, including stormwater, which could include collection, distribution, and discharge, are all important parts of the Air Force wastewater system. Protective measures include water conservation, pollution prevention, and water rights sustainment. The image in this slide shows a water system that had been in disrepair before it was repaired to meet compliance requirements. The Water Quality Program strives to achieve compliance with the Safe Drinking Water Act and Clean Water Act requirements to ensure that the installation can provide clean water and meet the water requirements of the installation. In addition, the program strives to ensure that the installation has adequate supply and water rights to meet mission requirements. Unit Environmental Coordinators are not expected to be water quality experts, but you are the eyes and ears of the environmental program in the field and at your shops. So it's important that you understand the requirements and play a role in helping to prevent pollution and maintain compliance for the Air Force. To do this, you need to familiarize yourself with the installation stormwater prevention plans. So this could be the Stormwater Pollution Prevention Plan or the Stormwater Management Plan, both of which would have requirements or talk about what's needed for your facility. So you can help by spreading the word that nothing but rain goes down the drain to help ensure that we're preventing pollution in our stormwater. In addition, you can ensure that floor drains are not used for disposal. You can help prevent environmental damage, non-compliance, and fines by helping ensure that spills are minimized. One way to do this is through your unit's role in the Spill Prevention, Control, and Countermeasures Plan. So familiarize yourself with your unit role and responsibility in the SPCC plan to help ensure unit compliance. Ensure that oil storage tanks in your area are working properly and inspected monthly. Also ensure that oil water separators are functioning properly and inspected on a regular basis. In the shops, ensure that backflow prevention devices are maintained and inspected annually. In addition, ensure that all sinks and hose bibs have proper vacuum breakers. Finally, always be sure to report spills to your installation's environmental element. As a Unit Environmental Coordinator, you can be an effective water quality manager. And you do this by helping protect the environment by preventing spills and other emergencies. In addition, you would be improving the water quality for your installation. You would also be protecting Air Force members and their families, as well as your coworkers in your unit. You would also be ensuring that the Air Force remains compliant and is providing the resources they need. And this would be in sustainable resources that help sustain and support the mission. As a UEC, you should be familiar with your installation's environmental policy statement. You also should be familiar in how you can support and also participate in your installation ESO Council. Also, there's resources available through AFCEC for maintaining water system data in both the Wet Water Environment tool and STAR, or Storage Tank Accounting and Reporting systems, which are maintained by AFCEC. And then finally, If you have questions on specific Air Force policy, you can refer to the Air Force Instruction 32-1067, Air Force Water and Fuel Systems. Thank you for tuning into this training. Remember, you're an important part of your unit's environmental compliance. Thank you for your leadership and your role in sustaining the mission.